Welcome to the video, guys. This is video number 2, and video number 1 we were doing systems of graphing, systems using graphing, and we were here and I said I wasn't sure that this was no solution, but it is. Guaranteed it is no solution here because the two do not intersect. Okay, I just didn't have confidence in myself. Gotta have confidence. So I went, checked back, make sure my work was all correct, and it is, in fact, no solution. Okay, so let's look at another one. This one is a quadratic and a circle, okay? And so for this one, we're going to do the circle, which is the pretty easy one now. It's really simple to do a circle. All the ones I'm going to give you are going to have a center at 0, 0. And so now this one, we have a, oops, sorry. Let me get my pen ready. There we go. We have, for my circle, we have a center at 0, 0. Because there's no numbers on our x and y. And then our radius of our circle is the square root of 25, which is 5. So my circle is centered at 0, 0, and then I go 5 to the right, 5 to the left, 5 up, and 5 down. Okay, now this one has some other points as well, but that I know that you can do differently, okay, just because I know them. So, and on my math lab, you won't be doing this, so it's really not hard on my math lab. So anyway, so there's some more points in here that I just happen to know about, but you won't be required to know those because my math lab does all the graphing for you. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so there's my circle. Now, the second one is a quadratic. Now, this one is not easily to be made into plotting points. We could plot points, but there was also a really easy way that we did when we studied quadratics, and that was by graphing the vertex. So let's do the vertex. It was that formula that we did negative b over 2a, and then we plugged it in. So let's do that real quick. So the x member would be negative 8 over 2 times 1. So that's negative 4. And then we just plug in negative 4. And we're going to get 16 minus 32 plus 19. And so that's going to give me 16, negative 16 plus 19, which is 3. So I have a point at negative 4, 3. That's my vertex. Okay. And so let me put that on here. Negative 4, 3, which is right here. That's my vertex. And so if you remember, the vertex is this point at the bottom. So now I'm going to plug in. I know negative 4 and 3 is 1 point. So let me plug in negative 3 and see what happens, just to get a point to the right or to the left. So if I plug in negative 3, I get negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 plus 19. And if I do that on my calculator, I'm going to get 4. Is that right? Yeah, I'm going to get 9 plus 20. No, minus 24 plus 19. And so that's going to give me 9 plus 19 is 28, and 28 minus 24 is 4. So I get this point right here. So my parabola looks like this. Okay, and so now my answer is the points of intersection. Points of intersection. This is an answer, and this one's an answer. Okay, because those are the points where the two graphs intersect. So that's going to give me, my answer is negative 4, 3, and negative 3, 4. And those are my answers. Those are the points of intersection. Okay. On my math lab, it's a lot easier because the graphing is done automatically for you. So, okay. All right. I think that's all I had for this one. Let's see what else we got on the next video.